In this video, we're gonna finalize the exhaust for the car. Part 3 to this exhaust system series that I've been doing with this car. I have a lot to say about this car, but stay tuned. We're gonna talk about the exhaust in this video, and in the next video, we're gonna try to figure out if we should wide body it. Hope you enjoy it. We did it, fellas. We finally got pretty much all of the stock components off of the car. Stock headers, stock secondary cats. We also have the big bathtub stock LT1 muffler. Thing is huge. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it would be. It's probably like 20, 25 pounds, maybe 30 pounds. The cats and the headers felt heavier than that, but yeah, some pretty good weight savings. And I actually did get some clips under the car so you guys can see what the long tube headers, X-pipe, and the new Valvetronic mufflers look like. So I'm gonna cut to that right now. There's gonna be a lot of cutting in this video. I'm not going to start the car just yet. I wanted to show you guys the remote. So this is what you get when you have a Valvetronic system. You just tap it, and that is what opens and closes the valves. And then here, I love this so much. These are the black chrome exhaust tips. It looks so good, fits the car so well. Oh man, it really gives me that throwback, like F-body style look. I love it. Inside there, the valves are closed. Just like that, the valves are open. You can hear it too. That's the crazy part. You can hear it and you can see it. The valves opening and closing at, where's my finger? Right there. All right, this is valves open, warm start. Shoot! Oh my God, dude. It sounds like it's straight piped. It's so sick. Okay, let me move away from the houses. Dude, that sounds so good with the valves open. So much better, so much deeper than the stock muffler. That stock muffler took away so much sound. It's terrible. Oh God. I love that. Woo! Shout! Wow, dude, the Valvetronic is awesome. Woo! Shout! This is so sick. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude, this is amazing. This is so nice. And if I want to close the valves, I just close them and then I'm back to stock. That's fucking crazy. There's hardly any drone. I'm in 3rd gear, go down to 4th gear. Hardly any drone. Basically feels like stock. Like, dude, if you don't want cats, but you want like something that's very similar to being straight piped without the drone, get Valvetronic. This is freaking awesome. So this is me just cruising around town. Windows down, by the way. I'll put them up just to show you guys just how quiet it actually is. It's night and day difference from valves open. It really is. It feels like I'm driving stock again. Wow. What a pretty shot. That's nice. But legitimately, you don't hear anything. You really don't. I feel like I'm back at stock. So sick. Hey, Hellcat wide body? Nardo gray? Destroyer gray? Nice, nice, nice. Such a insane modification you can do to your exhaust. It really is. All right, let me put this down and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts about the Valvetronic exhaust. So this is how she's sitting right now. Damn. Sheesh. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the exhaust system that I should have had on my LS3, but just, oh, it just blends in so well. Red Rose City exhaust, best place you can go to if you live in Lancaster. But they actually tilted the tips out so it's flush with the bumper and that it matches the directions the bumper is pointed out at. Looks really good. I love it. A couple of you guys commented that they weren't really feeling the exhaust tips, but I think you're feeling it now. Yeah, it looks really good. Really good. Let me grab the remote so that way I can close the valves for you guys so you can see just how sick of a freaking exhaust this is. Valves closed. Night and day fucking difference, bro. Night and day difference. It feels like it's back at stock. Let me rev it. All right, valves closed. Revving it. You can definitely still tell some's there, but it's not nearly as loud.